Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to recover the deleted photos from your Google Drive account. Now let's begin. Well, denote that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. You just have to log in to your Google account and go to drive.google.com. Now for instance, I'm gonna delete it right now. Now I want to recover it. Well, it's quite easy. What you guys have to do is simply go to trash. At the left side of the screen, as you can see, here's something like home, drive, computers and everything. Simply scroll down and right here just below spam, you'll see a button like this that says trash. Click on it right now. Do note that items in the trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. So you only have 30 days to recover any file, folder or image. Now I want to recover this image right here. I'm just gonna right click on it, and as you can see, it's giving me two options, whether I want to restore or delete forever. Yes, I do want to restore, so I'm gonna click on the first button right there, and there you go. As you can see, the picture has been restored. And guys, that is it. That is how you restore photos from your Google Drive account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.